We are going to make a yummy frosting, white chocolate buttercream. It's gonna be fantastic. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes, to help you with your home baking project. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So as always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here is what you will need to make this frosting. Unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, white chocolate chips, sifted powdered sugar, cream, and salt. So you are going to want to start with melting your white chocolate chips and cooling it down just slightly because we don't want to melt the butter with our chocolate. Now you'll want to cream your butter until it is light and fluffy. Trust me, this takes a while. It takes somewhere between 5 to 7 minutes to get it fully aerated. It's going to lighten in color and actually increase in volume. You will see when we get it fully creamed the difference before and after. So now we're going to slowly add the powdered sugar. I like to start by stirring in about half of it, whip it up really good, and then stir in the other half and whip it up really good. We're looking for a nice light and fluffy but not too stiff consistency, because once you add the white chocolate, it actually stiffens the frosting. So that's what we're going for. Now you want to scrape down the sides of your bowl really well so that everything gets combined. And then we're going to add in the salt and the white chocolate and cream it till everything is well combined and still light and fluffy. So at this point, your buttercream is pretty much finished. If you end up with a little bit too stiff of a consistency, that's when your milk or cream comes into play. You can add a little bit of this to thin it out, or if you feel like it's a little bit too thin, you can add a little more powdered sugar as well. It's all up to what you're looking for with your decorating icing. Now this, I think, is pretty much perfect. That's the consistency I was going for, so I'm gonna leave it just like that. So there you go, there's my white chocolate buttercream. This is a fabulous filling for any cake, especially if you're using a raspberry compote as well, because we all know white chocolate and raspberry go really well together. You can also use this as a filling for some macarons or for cookies, pretty much anything that you would like some white chocolate buttercream on, this is where it's at. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you might also really love this Italian meringue buttercream recipe right over here. Go check it out. It was delicious and super silky and smooth. It's a great one. If you haven't yet, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below because we want to hear from you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Have a great one.